small spaces demand honesty. Every inch has to earn its keep, and every piece of furniture must be both useful and forgiving. The MUDANT Loveseat sofa understands this quiet rule and doesn't try to fight it. At 50 inches wide, this cloud-style loveseat is clearly built for apartments, bedrooms, and cozy corners where a full sofa would feel like an uninvited guest. Its size is compact, but the experience is not. The deep 27.16-inch seat gives this loveseat a surprising sense of room, especially for sitting cross-legged, stretching out with a book, or leaning back to watch a show. It avoids the stiff, upright posture common in small sofas and instead invites relaxation. 2 included pillows are shaped to support the head, neck, waist, and hips, making the couch feel more intentional than decorative. Comfort is where this loveseat quietly wins people over. The double-layer seat cushion, measuring a thick 10.8 inches, strikes a thoughtful balance. There is firmness underneath, enough to feel supported and stable, but also a soft bounce that makes long sitting sessions feel natural. It doesn't collapse or sink too deeply, which helps maintain comfort over time. This is the kind of cushion that works equally well for reading, working on a laptop, or lying down for an afternoon rest. The upholstery leans into softness without sacrificing practicality. The chenille fabric feels breathable and gentle on the skin, with a texture that adds warmth to a room instead of looking flat or synthetic. Light colors brighten smaller spaces, while darker options add contrast and depth. The removable, washable covers are a detail often overlooked at this price range, and yet they matter. Life happens, spills happen, and furniture that forgives is furniture that lasts. Visually, the Loveseat keeps things simple. Clean lines, minimal design, and balanced proportions make it easy to style. Paired with a throw blanket or accent pillow, it can feel cozy and elevated without trying too hard. It doesn't demand attention, but it rewards it. In a bedroom or small living room, it has a way of making the space feel finished rather than crowded. Assembly is refreshingly reasonable. Everything arrives in one box, and the process is straightforward enough for one person to handle. The steps are limited, the parts fit as expected, and the structure feels solid once completed. While it's lightweight enough to move around without stress, it doesn't feel flimsy. With a maximum weight capacity of 500 pounds, it holds its ground well, offering stability that matches its comfort. What stands out most is value. This loveseat doesn't pretend to be oversized luxury furniture, but it borrows the feeling of one. The deep seat, thick cushions, and cloud-like comfort give it a sense of generosity that feels rare at this size. It works especially well for first apartments, bedrooms, or anyone building a comfortable space without excess. The MUDANT Loveseat is proof that small furniture doesn't have to feel like a compromise. It fits where it's needed, supports how people actually sit, and looks good doing it. In tight spaces where every choice matters, this loveseat earns its place by being comfortable, practical, and quietly charming. Exactly what a modern cloud sofa should be.